Hi everyone, and welcome to Infinity's public roadmap walkthrough. We're happy to say that we've officially released our public roadmap where you'll be able to follow our progress, keep track of upcoming features, vote for new ones, leave comments with your feedback, give your own suggestions through our form, and keep an eye out on our changelog. On our roadmap page, you can also find quick links to our awesome communities, as well as some of the most frequently asked questions about the roadmap itself. So let's take a look at our roadmap together and see exactly what you'll be able to do with it. Once you open our public roadmap board, the first thing you will see is the instructions folder. Here, you will be able to read in detail everything there is to know about the roadmap, how to use it, and what each section of it means. The next folder in the board is the actual roadmap. In it, items are divided into 5 columns or stages: planning, backlog, to-do, doing, and released. All of the items are labeled by type: features, functionalities, and improvements. The planning column mostly consists of suggestions that were highly requested by Infinity members and which are a part of our official plans for this year. The backlog column holds the features that have been partially or fully discussed or defined by the team. The to-do column consists of items that have been defined, designed, and prepared for development. And finally, the doing column is made up of items that our team is currently working on, while the release column contains features that are live. Since we always want to hear your thoughts, in the roadmap folder, you also have the opportunity to vote for your favorite features and leave comments with your feedback. Keep in mind that voting is limited to once per item so that everyone gets a fair chance of seeing their favorite feature developed faster. Voting is also possible only for people who have an account with Infinity. The third folder in our roadmap board is Community's Voice. This is where all of your suggestions submitted through our Add a Suggestion form are stored and where we pick those we might start working on next. So how to submit your ideas and suggestions? Step 1. Open the form found in the second tab of the folder Community's Voice. Step 2. Choose the type of suggestion you'd like to submit. This can be a feature, a functionality, and an improvement. Step 3. Enter the name of your feature and describe your request. Step 4. Add a link or an attachment of your suggestion so that we can have a clear image of what you need. Step 5. Rate your suggestion on a scale of 1 to 10. And Step 6. Click on the Submit button. You're done. We go through this folder regularly and review all your suggestions for our upcoming plans. The last folder in our roadmap board is Updates, where you can easily track everything from small fixes to bigger releases and keep up with our progress every month. Updates are divided into subfolders for easier organization and overview. Now that you know how to use our roadmap, we encourage you to go ahead and explore it and see if some of your suggestions have already made it onto our to-do list. Don't forget to vote for your favorites and comment, as well as keep on adding new suggestions to Community's Voice. We plan to update the roadmap on a bi-weekly basis, so be sure to stay tuned and check in regularly.